Hello, in this video we're going to perform a benchmark test on Motorola Moto G06 Power and HONOR X7d. Alright, for this test I'm going to use the Geekbench 6 and the AnTuTu Benchmark apps to perform that benchmark, and also we are going to perform one more benchmark, but this time we are going to use a browser for it. Let's begin with the Geekbench 6 maybe. So let's launch app on both devices. Let's click on accept. We are going to perform a CPU and a GPU benchmark in this app. Let's begin with the CPU. In here you can also take a look and see some information about both devices. And now let's simply run the benchmark. It's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's done. Alright, as you can see, we have our first results. And when it comes to the single core score on Motorola, it's 407, on HONOR it's 468, the multi-core score is 1339, while on HONOR it's 1532. So we have a little advantage of HONOR, but that level of difference isn't that big, so those devices are really similar to each other. As we scroll down, we can see some other informations. For example, you can see the memory. Below, we also have the integer score and the floating point score. On Motorola, it's 434 and 362. On HONOR, it's 517 and 388. So again, it's a little bit better. Okay, as we scroll down, in here we also have the integer score and the floating point score. 1350 and 1318, while on HONOR 1546 and 1507. That's the CPU benchmark. Now let's run the GPU. It's also going to take a little bit, so I will run the test and I'll see you once we have the results. Okay, and now we have the results for the GPU benchmark, and you can see that in that case the Motorola is on the winning position, 953, while on the HONOR we only have 382. Okay, now let's use the AnTuTu benchmark. Okay, and let's click on install and test. Oh, actually, when it comes to that, I need to download it also. So you need to give me a second. Okay, now it has been installed, so let's start the test. And of course, I'll see you once it's done. Alright, so I got the results, you can take a look on them. And when it comes to the HONOR, we have this amount of points, almost 500,000. While on the Motorola we have 370,000 points. When it comes to other values, you can take a look on them, how it looks like. Also, I will expand each one of those stats so we can take a look on them. That's about the memory right now. And the last value. Alright, and now the last benchmark, just like I have said before. I'm going to use the octane. Alright, and that one right in here. Let's start the test and I'll see you with the results. Alright, unfortunately the page stopped working, I'm really sorry. But I think that when it comes to the benchmark that we made on Geekbench 6 and the AnTuTu are completely enough. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.